Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to show you how to split column into rows. So here is the data. We are going to split our columns into rows like this example. So 3 times apple is appearing since apple has 3 values. So this data is appearing like this. So we are going to deal with this kind of situation. Let's begin. For this we need to import this data into Power Query. So how can we do that? Just go to data tab from table and range. Now our Power Query editor has opened. Now by default Power Query has changed data type text to numbers, so I'm not going to change it because I want to split my columns into rows. Delete it. Now this data is appearing which is as similar as to Excel, so we need to select this split column by delimiter. Now advanced option, we have selected comma here. Now into rows, click OK. As you can see, now once again the same step, split column by delimiter, comma, rows, OK. Now we can close and load this query, close and load. So here it is. Keep enjoying and keep learning.